So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering an online tool which I'm not really sure of its pertinence, but I guess it can come in handy. And so this is called PDF Maker, and this will allow you to essentially just code a PDF. You heard that right? You're going to be able to just code a PDF, or basically just design a PDF online. Yeah, so I guess that's, I don't know, in case you don't have maybe Word on your computer where you can just write a document and convert it to PDF, then you might want to go for this tool. I'm not really sure it's useful, its purpose, but I guess it's useful in some way. So essentially you have just these two interfaces. Here you can use this design to write your PDF. So as you can see, if you want a title, this is how you go about it. You put in the title. If you want a body, you put in the body like that. And then if you want to define the styles for the general document, you can go ahead and do just this. That's pretty much it. The design is pretty simple and very, very basic. Here you can have the different styles. You can have the different ways it will appear. For example, as you can see, you can easily just code this. And once you're done coding it, or once you're done writing down your PDF, you can easily just download it or print it. So yeah, so again, I think you can just do this if you have a text editor on your computer, like Word, Office, or whatsoever. You can just do this and convert it into PDF. But if for some reason you don't have that and you want to maybe code your PDF online, then you can just go about and do this here. So you have different columns. Yeah, so you have really a lot of customization features for some reasons. You can even include images as well. Yeah, and so essentially you just build your PDF online and really make it yours. Yeah, so they have a whole documentation this way. I'm really struggling to find use cases for this, but I really can't see where this is going to be pertinent. I really can't. And so I guess it does have its uses, I guess. So yeah, these are the features. But yeah, I think one way they could have made it was basically just put a text editor online where you could just write things and they directly appear in a PDF instead of giving us this kind of JSON formatting of a PDF. Well, that's just my opinion, I guess. Yeah, but I guess if you want to write or you want to construct a PDFs by yourself, line by line, maybe this is one way of going about it. But I guess it's always good to know that these tools exist and we can always use them. So that's it for you, PDF Maker. Definitely check it out if you're trying to create a PDF online. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.